Hello students, welcome back to biology class. In last videos, we have studied responses to abiotic factors. In this video, we will study adaptations. Now, for coping with extreme environment, some animal or some organism, they are able to respond to certain physiological adjustments, while others by behavioral, that is by migrating temporarily to a less stressful habitat. So such an attribute of an organism, which can be morphological, physiological or behavioral, that enables the organism to strive and reproduce in its habitat is called as adaptation. Okay, so तुमका खबर आसा भायले एनवायरमेंटल कंडिशन एक्स्ट्रीम एनवायरमेंटल कंडिशन असल्या कारणान थोडे ऑर्गेनिक डिफिकल्ट जातात टू रिस्पॉन्ड. ओके, आणि ह्या एनवायरमेंटल कंडिशन सर्वायव जावपा खातीर ताका रिस्पॉन्ड जावपा खातीर एनिमल्स कितें करता आपल्या भितर थोडे चेंजीस ऑर एडजस्टमेंट करता अकॉर्डिंग टू द change in environmental condition, extreme environmental condition, and these changes can be behavioral changes, it can be morphological changes, or it can be physiological changes. आणि ह्या चेंजीसांक आमी कितें म्हणटा adaptation. Okay, and due to this adaptation, animals or organisms are able to survive and reproduce in its habitat. ज्या प्लेसीचेर ते रावता थंयसर ते रावूंक शकता आणि ते आपली रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह एक्टिविटी कॅरी आउट करूंक शकता because of their special adaptation. Many adaptations have evolved over long evolutionary time and are genetically fixed. थोडी adaptation अशी आहा जी evolutionarily ती evolve जाल्ली आसा. That is, it took long time to evolve them. Okay, आणि ती कितें जेनेटिकली फिक्स जाल्या म्हणजे जेनेटिकली ती एडॅप्ट जाल्ली आसा म्हणजे जेनेटिकली तांच्या भितर फीचर्स चेंजीस जाल्ले आसा. In the absence of, for example, one is kangaroo rat, okay, in desert condition. So in the absence of external source of water, the kangaroo rat in North American desert is capable of meeting all its water requirement through its internal fat oxidation, in which water is a byproduct. Now, how animals also, kangaroo rat, it shows physiological adaptation. The first adaptation is a physiological adaptation. How कितें करता? Since you know that this particular kangaroo rat is found in North American desert, आणि डेजर्टान उदक मेळना. Okay, excess source of water. As a result, हो एका त्या डेजर्ट कंडिशनान सर्वाइव जावपाक जाय जाल्यार तो कसो सर्वाइव जाता? So it meets all its water requirement through its internal fat oxidation. So भितरले तेजे जेन्ना फॅट ऑक्सिडेशन जाता ते ड्युरिंग दॅट प्रोसेस वॉटर जे रिलीज जाता एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट तेच उदक तो यूज करता स्वता खातीर. इट हॅज द एबिलिटी टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट इट्स युरीन. सेकेंड एडॅप्टेशन हे जालें फर्स्ट एडॅप्टेशन, फॅट ऑक्सिडेशनांतसून वॉटर येता. सेकेंड एडॅप्टेशन कितें? तो आपले युरीन जो आसा तो कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करता सो दॅट मिनिमम वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉटर इज यूज टू रिमूव एक्सक्रेटरी प्रोडक्ट. So that the urine it is a waste product. So in the form of urine, water is also excreted. So it minimizes the volume of water excretion by concentrating its urine. Okay, so urine कितें करता? Concentrate करता आणि little volume of water is released out as a waste product. Then many desert plants have thick cuticle. आता हे जाले एक्झाम्पल ऑफ एनिमल्स इन द डेजर्ट. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हेजे एडॅप्टेशन्स विचारता कंगारू रेटाचे. ओके, सो दीज आर द फिजियोलॉजिकल एडॅप्टेशन. तशेंच प्लांट्सूय एडॅप्ट करता आपल्याक इन द डेजर्ट कंडिशन. सच एज many desert plants have thick cuticle on their leaf surfaces. Now you can see this is the transverse section of leaf, and on the epidermis, that is the outermost layer, you will find thick cuticle layer. which is made up of waxy coating. So as a result, water is not lost from this area, epidermis, okay, thick layer of cuticle on their leaf surfaces, and have their stomata arranged in deep pits to minimize water loss through transpiration. आणि त्यांचे जे स्टोमाटा असतात ते डीप पिट्स असतात. यू कॅन सी हियर दिस इज द लोअर एपिडर्मिस, चडशे स्टोमॅटा लोअर एपिडर्मिस रावता, अँड दीज आर द संकन स्टोमॅटा. संकन म्हणटा म्हणजे हे लोअर एपिडर्मिस अशे पीट कहे आसा आणि त्याच्या भितर ते स्टोमॅटा आसा, ताका म्हणटा संकन स्टोमॅटा और डीप पिट्स. ओके, आता हे संकन कित्याक, समज ते सरफेसाचेर असले जाल्यार ट्रान्सपिरेशन प्रोसेस फास्ट जातलो. सो ताका लागून ते आपल्या भितर आपल्या भितर स्ट्रक्चर डीप पिट्सान तांकां प्रोड्यूस करता, सो दॅट मिनिमम वॉटर इज लॉस थ्रू द ट्रान्सपिरेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकंड एडॅप्टेशन in the desert condition. Example is plants. They also have a special photosynthetic pathway, that is the CAM, crassulation acid metabolism, that enables their stomata to remain closed during daytime. So here in this particular plant, the stomata remains closed during daytime. Why? Because if it remains open during the daytime, due to the heat and due to the light, very high light condition, the transpiration process is fast. So if the stomata opens during the daytime, water will lose during that process. So they have special mechanism, special photosynthetic pathway, and during this pathway, stomata remains closed during daytime. Some desert plants like Opuntia, this is the example of Opuntia plant, like a cactus plant manta, have no leaves. You must have seen they do not have leaves. Okay, they have only spines and this flattened stem. Their leaves are reduced to spines. So you can see these spines, those are the leaves. These leaves are modified into spines. And the photosynthetic function is taken over by flattened stem. And you can see here, this is the stem, flattened stem, palm-like structure. And this does the function of photosynthesis. You can see it is a green in color also. And so leaf function is taken over by this thick stem. So these are the adaptation or the changes that organism do in the nature. Very important, those adaptation. Then another, mammals from colder climates generally have shorter ears and limbs to minimize heat loss. सो कोल्डर क्लायमेटाचे मॅमल्स असता तेतून तांचे कान जे असता ते शॉर्ट असता, अँड लिम्स, 4 limbs and hind limbs short असता, so that minimum heat is lost from the body, and this is called as the Allen's rule. Very important, हेजेर एकदा बोर्डा क्वेश्चन विचारलो, what is Allen's rule? Okay, in the polar seas, aquatic mammals like seals, the seals have thick layer of fat, blubber below their skin that acts as an insulator and reduces the loss of body heat. Okay, polar seas animal, now हो seal जो आसा तो तांच्या बॉडीच्या भितर कितें आसता, फॅट लेयर आसता, थिक लेयर ऑफ फॅट, आणि हो फॅट जो आसा ताका ब्लबर म्हणटा. सो तो एक्ट्स एज अ इन्सुलेटर, सो दॅट तेंच्या बॉडीतली हीट जी आसा ती भायर सरची न्हू, रिड्युसीस लॉस ऑफ बॉडी हीट, रिड्यूस करता हीट लॉस. Okay. Now some organisms possess physiological adaptation which allow them to respond quickly to a stressful situation. So these are all physiological adaptations that organism possesses. Now another, it is a example is at high altitude place, that is about 3,500 meter Rohtang Pass near Manali. This is the Rohtang Pass near Manali, and Mansarovar, Tibet. This is the Mansarovar, Tibet. We experience altitude sickness. Means if we try to climb this area, आमकां कितें जाता, altitude sickness जाता. Altitude म्हणजे height. Its symptoms include nausea, vomiting like sensation, fatigue, tiredness, and heart palpitation. आमचे heart fast pump जावपाक सुरू जाता when we climb these mountains. This is because in the low atmospheric pressure of high altitude, so हांगासर low atmospheric pressure आसा at high altitude, the body does not get enough oxygen आमच्या बॉडीक कितें जाता इनफ ऑक्सिजन मेळना बट ग्रॅज्युअली वी गेट एक्लिमटायज अँड स्टॉप एक्सपिरियन्सीस अल्टिट्यूड सिकनेस आनी जशें जशें स्लोली आमी टायम स्पेंड करता आमी त्या क्लायमेटाक एक्लिमटायज जाता आनी आमचो अल्टिट्यूड सिकनेस आहा तो कमी जाता आनी इवेंच्युअली स्टॉप जाता. The body compensates low oxygen availability by increasing red blood cell production. So ते कशें जाता सो हे बॉडी कशी लो ऑक्सिजना खातीर बॉडी कंपेन्सेट करता कितें करता कंपेन्सेट करपा खातीर रेड ब्लड सेलाचें प्रोडक्शन इनक्रीज करता and decreasing the binding capacity of hemoglobin and by increasing breathing rate आणि hemoglobin bind जायना decrease करता binding capacity of hemoglobin and as a result breathing rate increase जाता. Okay, so how important हाजेरूय केन्ना केन्ना applicated type question विचारता. Now next type of adaptation is biochemical adaptation. All these are the physiological adaptation. Now we'll see the biochemical adaptation. In most animals, the metabolic reaction and physiological function proceed optimally in a narrow temperature range. For example, in humans, it is 37 degrees Celsius. Microbes such as archaebacteria flourish in hot spring, this is the hot spring, and deep sea hydrothermal vents where temperature far exceed 100 degrees Celsius. Now we can see, this is the example I have previously also mentioned you. Now this is the Budbudachi Tari म्हणता ताका, and this is found in Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary Goa, near the in Wildlife Sanctuary Goa, Netravali hot spring. So हांगासर उदकाचो टेम्परेचर आसता तो हाय आसता and these are the deep sea hydrothermal vents म्हणजे deep sea तुमकां असो hydrothermal vents दिसतले where temperature is more than 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, although these conditions are there, still you will find some archaebacteria growing in such condition. Okay, in many marine invertebrates and fish live at great depths in the ocean where the pressure could be 100 times more than the normal atmospheric pressure that we experience. So can we imagine, students? So उदकान सुद्धा पळय उदकाचो प्रेशर तेच्या वयर कितलो pressure आसतलो, still these organisms are able to live under those conditions. Are we able to live without no, not for longer time. So these are the biochemical adaptation. Now third type is the behavioral responses. Okay, now these responses or adaptation, behavioral adaptation, are produced to cope with variation in their environment, in the surrounding environment. Example is desert lizard. This desert lizard lack the physiological ability that mammals have to deal with the high temperature of their habitat. Mammals have the ability to deal with the high temperature, but this lizard lack it. But they manage to keep their body temperature fairly constant by behavioral means. So they कशे adapt करता by behavioral means. They bask in the sun and absorb heat when their body temperature drops below the comfort zone. Okay, so जेन्ना टेम्परेचर खूप थंड जाता तेन्ना ते कितें करता, सनान बाक्स करता म्हणजे सनान रावता. But move into the shade when temperature start increasing. And जसो हो temperature increase जालो, afternoon temperature is very scorchingly hot. So मागीर ते कितें करता, they move into the shade. You can see here, they move into the hole. Okay, when the temperature start increasing. Some species are capable of burrowing into the soil to hide and escape from the above ground heat. Now you can see here this lizard, it has burrowed itself into this hole, okay, to escape from the heat, above ground heat. So these are the behavioral responses. Thank you, students. So I hope you have understood today's adaptation topic. So today we have studied 3 types of adaptation. The first one is the physiological adaptation, so in which We have seen adaptation to desert condition. Example is kangaroo rat and desert plant Opuntia. Then we have studied the Allen's rule. Then altitude sickness, adaptation at high altitude. Then biochemical adaptations, so in which we have taken two examples, archaebacteria and marine invertebrates and fish. Then behavioral responses, again here to cope with variation in the environment. Example is desert lizard. So they basks in the sun when the temperature is very low and burrow inside the soil when the temperature is very high. Thank you.